Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a game pass in Roblox that you can use and please donate. So let's begin. So here we are in Roblox and we're currently in a roblox.com website. And from here what we're going to do is that we're going to click on create right here. And from here will be popped up right here. So what you want to do is look for the experience tab. So once you are here, just below the experience, you would see this right here. So the name should be your name right here, and then apostrophe s place. So this should be your place right here. In this case, this is my name, and I want to go hover here and click on manage experience. And once you're here, then you would be able to see it right here. And from here, what you want to do is click on associated items. And from here, you want to go click on passes. And you can see the previous game pass that you have right here if you have any, but if you don't have one, then no problem. We can just click here on create a game pass. So click on create a pass, and then from here we can change the picture. You can have the name and description. So now let's provide that. So first is the picture. Let's just go right here. So let's say this is the ultimate Robux, just like that. And then the description would be please buy me, just like that. This is just an example. You don't have to follow this. You can just put whatever you want right here. And once you're done, click on create pass right here. And now let's just wait for it. And now once you've done that, then it is not yet ready to go, because as you can see, it says off sale right here, which means it can't show up in the game, so you can sell this to other people. So what you need to do is click on it again, and then from here you want to click on sales right here, and you want to make sure that you toggle this item for sale, and then you want to provide a price. And make sure that if you want to receive the exact amount, is that you want to make sure that you include a tax, because you won't be able to earn this completely. Like 100% will be only able to get this by 75% of this. So with this, I will be getting 150 if someone purchases this Robux or this game pass right here. So click on save changes once you're done. And yeah, as you can see, pass updated successfully as it says right here. Now all we have to do now is go back into please donate. Right here, let's open up please donate right here, and we can see it right there in our store right here. Let's play. And as you can see, here we are now. And what we need to do is go into an empty stall so that we can go and activate our shop right here. So maybe right here, and claim this stand. And yeah, just like that, as you can see, we now have the ultimate Robux. This is the one that we have created right here. As you can see, we can now see it right here. And these are our other Robux or other game passes that we have created. And this is what we have created just now. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, on how you can create a game pass that you can use it and please donate and other games as well in Roblox. Thank you for, if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.